So this is day 5th April 2024 and today's Leetcode daily question is make the string great. So it is a problem related to string manipulation. We are given with a string S which contain lower and uppercase English letters. A good string is a string which doesn't have its adjacent elements such that it is same element but have opposite cases like uppercase and lowercase. So if such condition exists, we have to remove the both element and concatenate the remaining string and return it. So for the first example, we can see that small e and capital E are adjacent to each other, so we will remove both of them in the index 1 and 2. So the output will be Leetcode. For the second example, we can see that lower and uppercase B are adjacent to each other, so we will remove them. After removing B, we can see that the string contains A and C with the same condition, so we will remove them. So the output will now remain to the empty string. In the third example, it is simply S, so output is S. For this problem, we have used two approaches. First is using string manipulation in Python. So this is the code. We have defined a uppercase and delete function. In this uppercase function, we will count how many uppercase letters are there in string, and the number of uppercases will return as count. So we are using a for loop for number of counts, that is number of uppercase elements, and we will call delete function to delete the elements which falls under the condition given in the problem. So the delete function is, it takes strings S as an input and we initialize I variable to 0 to track the current index while iterating the string. The while loop iterates through the string S until I reaches the second last index. As we are, the line if checks the condition, that is S of I is lower and S of I plus 1 is upper and both the elements are same, or if S of I is upper and S of I plus 1 is lower and both the elements are same, then we will eliminate both the elements on S of I index and S of I plus 1 index by using slicing technique and concatenate the remaining part. It will increment the I by 2 to skip the removed character and continue the iteration. So if this condition are not met, it means the current character are not to be removed, so it will increment index by I plus 1 to move to the next character, and at the end we will return string S. So this is the delete function, and we are calling delete function until we eliminate all the elements which follow this condition. So let us run this code, and you can see that it is accepted, and this is the submission. This is my solution. Let us look at the other approach, that is using stack. So this is the solution using stack. St is an empty list to stimulate stack. We are iterating through each character in the input string S. If the stack is not empty and the current character pair with the top of the character for deletion, if the conditions match, which is that previous element is lower and current element is uppercase and both are the same element, or previous element was upper and current element is lower and both are the same element. If this condition exists, we will remove the previous element and we will not store this current element as well. So both the elements are removed, that is eliminated, and we will move on to check next element. If the conditions are not met, push the current character into the stack by using append function, and we will return the string by joining the character remaining in the stack. So this is the approach using stack, and let us run this code. This code is also accepted. And this is my solution. The link of the solution is in comment box. Thank you.